Hello, good afternoon, friends. You can see this is PwC. This kinds of building. Yeah, London Bridge City. Its front view. You can see more London Riverside. This is the PwC. Around 3,000 people. The employees are working here, and we make today 2,500 people food. Yeah, it's quite amazing. This one, I just came from here. Yeah, this is a busy operation. One of like after HSBC, and this is in corporate working, which have the good, we got a good atmosphere here and pleasant. The front time I was working, I was dining there, and I can watch this London Bridge as well as Tower Hill. Before my company was just you see this five guys in front. I was work around 6 months. Another branch, you can see this front view, just the black building. Here I worked in that building, so you can see that. So it's quite amazing. So guys, you can see this is so very pleasant. This is a sky garden building. This is the sky garden. This is Gherkin behind that. Yeah. Yeah. What's happening? Yeah. It's quite beautiful here. People do take their yeah, and you can see this ship Belfast. Since long time standing here. It's a retired ship. Cool and pleasant weather, as you see. Yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my channel Atul Exploration of the World, and you can get loads of videos through the world knowledge, culinary, cuisine, tradition, information. So guys, thank you. Bonjour, have a nice day, take care, be happy, take care. Thank you.